Hello, high levelers. Rayo Daniel here. If you are looking to build a cold email outreach system inside of the GoHighlevel platform, I have two options for you in this video. One, I'm going to apply to the do-it-yourselfers out there and show you a video I have on my YouTube channel that's about 50 minutes long. It takes you step by step of all the things you need to do to build out a cold email outreach system. Now, if you want to do that, great. I'm going to show you where that video is and feel free to go watch it. If you don't want to watch the video, if you just want to buy my snapshot that has all the information that's in it, ready to be set up, completely ready to go in just a matter of a few minutes by importing my snapshot and then downloading that into your sub account, I do have something to offer you, and I'm going to link it to the description below for you to be able to purchase a snapshot. Now, I do offer this snapshot for free to anybody that signs up using my affiliate link. So below in the description, you will also see an affiliate link for signing up for Highlevel. If you have not yet signed up, you will get the cold email outreach snapshot for free, along with my other snapshot and bonuses that I offer. It's a lot. I won't go over it right now, but you'll get that. Or if you want to upgrade from the lower plans to the Agency Pro plan, you can use my link in the description below to upgrade and also get these bonuses as well. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. For those people that want to do it yourself here, this is the video that you need to look at. It is my cold email outreach inside of my YouTube channel. So just go and search for Rayo Daniel. You'll find my YouTube channel, or just go in the search bar and type in GoHighlevel cold email, something like that, and I'm sure you'll pull up the video. So this video is, again, about 50 minutes. It goes through all the components that you're going to need to work through to get done and completed in order to get your cold email outreach system set up. But that doesn't mean that you're going to get all the automations, the pipelines, just all the scheduling, the landing pages, the funnels, and everything else that you need to sort of pull all this stuff together. You don't get any of that. You'll have to build all that yourself if you want to save a little bit of money. If you want to go ahead and purchase my snapshot, it's in the description below, just CEO for cold email outreach. CEO.rayodaniel.com will actually take you to this page right here. I do charge $297 for this snapshot. So it's if your time is worth anything, this is a deal for you to just buy it, put all of this stuff in place, and all of these pieces from, I'm going to show you what's going to be involved with here, but everything in this snapshot revolves around pipelines, because personally I think that's the most effective way to manage a bunch of leads. You need to keep them well organized. You need to have stuff transition from one phase to another, and if not, to notify you automatically or notify your team when all that happens. So everything is built around a pipeline and automation of that particular pipeline. There are lead nurture and lead follow-up campaigns inside of workflows inside of this snapshot as well. You get some contact management, because guys, if you're going to build a list and you're going to be importing thousands of people, that data is going to be somewhat bad. I mean, it's just inevitable. You're going to run into that phone numbers, emails, and things like that are going to be bad. Well, how do you handle that? How do you clean up your database, and how do you handle all that? I actually have a whole workflow system that allows you to do that, and easily allows your team to filter out those people who have bad information. Lead scheduling, I do offer a couple of different funnels for discovery calls that just immediately go back into your calendar, that you can just are automatically set up for you to just start sending out emails, text messages, and having people go there. You will have to configure your own domain on these. And last but not least, just instructional coaching. I do offer a training program where I have several videos in there, from step-by-step how to set it up, from a setup guide. Here's where the checklist that you need to get started from here, here, and here. And inside of the training, you also get things like how to import contacts. If you've never done that before, that can be kind of problematic. How do you import all of this type of contacts inside of the Highlevel platform? So right now, if you're interested in purchasing it, click on this. I'm also going to link the video here for the do-it-yourselfers. I'm going to link the video here as well. But if you're looking for something just very quick to buy, to get set up and to get up and going, click on the snapshot, click on the link, buy the snapshot, you'll be ready to go. Have a great day, high levelers.